Chapter 1. I'm glad you're here. You've started your own business. Congratulations! You get to do the things you love and make money while doing them. You're free! Well, almost. Unfortunately, you still have to do some of the things you don't like to do, like marketing, branding, and bookkeeping. I imagine you're reading this book because you can't afford a bookkeeper right now, but you realize the importance of keeping your books straight. I am so impressed that you are taking the time to get things right the first time. Most business owners just ignore their numbers until they can afford someone, but not you. You're proactive, you're brave, you're freaking awesome. I'm going to teach you the simplest way to categorize your income and expenses. Anyone can do it. And when your business starts to boom and you simply don't have the time to do it yourself anymore, you can give me a call. Here is a list of other resources we offer, listed from most expensive to least expensive. Hint, the least expensive ones are free, so be sure to check those out. Financial coaching. If you're looking for help beyond clean books, this is what you need. We give you all of the benefits of our monthly bookkeeping package, mentioned later, but you also get valuable coaching on how to increase the health of your business financially. We teach you money management skills such as how to pay down debt and how to build savings. Both skills are crucial for business owners to have to withstand a financial crisis. We help you create custom short-term and long-term goals and get on a monthly call with you for accountability. These goals can be related to boosting income, decreasing expenses, paying down debt, or building a savings account. Whatever it is you need to focus on based on what your books are telling us. My favorite part of the financial coaching package is the budgeting and forecasting. We create a realistic budget based on your business's past performance and the current market conditions. We run a budget versus actuals report each month and include it with your other bookkeeping reports. We will also notify you if your expenses are in danger of going over or if your income isn't hitting your targets. We will then help you brainstorm and research how to get these numbers back on track. If you are interested in financial coaching, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line coaching. Monthly bookkeeping. If your business is at the place where you would like to outsource your bookkeeping entirely, we would love to help you with that here at Profit Meadow Bookkeeping. We would take care of your bookkeeping on a daily and weekly basis and then send you reports on a monthly basis. We send the reports in an email along with a video explaining the reports to you so you can view it whenever you want and understand what is going on in your business. Our clients find this to be extremely helpful and valuable. If you're interested in hiring Profit Meadow Bookkeeping, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line, Let's Get Started, and I'll send you more information on next steps. Hint, those next steps include a bookkeeper from our team doing a free review of your business's books. No obligation required. D.I.Y Bookkeeping Academy. If you're doing your own books but need step-by-step videos to talk you through it, then the Academy is right for you. In the Academy, there are video lessons showing you how to use QuickBooks Online and how to understand basic accounting principles, how to read and understand your reports, and how to do various tasks in QuickBooks Online, such as invoices, sales receipts, bills, expenses, loans, inventory, and paying employees or contractors. Plus, there are 2 bonus mini courses included. One is a deep dive into budgeting for your business, and the other is a training on how to raise your prices, complete with email templates to send to your own clients. If you would like me to send you the link to the Academy, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line Academy. Bookkeeping software discount. If your business is growing and a spreadsheet wouldn't be enough for you, my recommendation is definitely and 100% QuickBooks Online. It's very user-friendly, has tons of training to help you figure out anything you need to, and can be customized based on your needs. Want to pay employees, pay contractors, send invoices, accept payments online. QuickBooks Online can do all of that and more. QuickBooks Online has lots of different tiers and payroll add-ons, so it's hard to pinpoint a budget range. But I offer QuickBooks Online Plus at a discounted rate if you purchase it through me. I have clients right now that do their own bookkeeping, but they pay me monthly for their QuickBooks Online subscription, and I pay QuickBooks for their account. I get it at an extremely low cost, so I can charge you less. I make a little money each month, you save a little money each month, and QuickBooks gets a new customer. It's a win-win-win. The clients also get better rates on certain add-ons for being associated with a pro advisor like myself, such as lower processing fees on online payments. If you're interested in this, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line QuickBooks Discount, and I'll get you set up. Just make sure you don't purchase it before you contact me. Unfortunately, I can't move an existing QuickBooks account over to my wholesale account. Minimalism for Business Owners audiobook, free. Have you noticed I like to give away free audiobooks? Here, I would also like to offer you the free audiobook of my newest book, Minimalism for Business Owners, Finding Peace in the Chaotic World of Entrepreneurship. This book is perfect for a business owner who is feeling overwhelmed in all aspects of their business. We go through how to minimize your admin duties, prospect attraction, client conversion, and actually delivering your products and services. If you would like a free download of the audiobook, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line MFBO Audio. If you prefer a paperback or ebook version, those are available at amazon.com. Free bookkeeping spreadsheet. If you're just starting out and don't have many expenses, then the best thing to do is keep up with your numbers in an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets. You don't want to waste money on a software subscription or overcomplicate your life trying to learn the software when you're just getting your feet off the ground. I've created a spreadsheet that is set up like a Schedule C profit and loss tax form. When you fill this out on a monthly or yearly basis, your CPA will have exactly what they need to file your taxes for you. It will be so beautiful and organized, they might even kiss you. If you want me to send that to you for free, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line Profit and Loss Spreadsheet. Free budgeting spreadsheet. Budgeting is different from bookkeeping, but just as important. Bookkeeping is more about staying compliant with IRS rules. Budgeting is more about the actual health of your business. It's about setting goals for every cent that goes in and out of your business. So many people have a business without a budget, and if that's you, I don't know how you do it. The anxiety of not having a budget is definitely worse than the 20 minutes a month I spend on mine. I've created a fillable spreadsheet to help you budget as well. It has 2 columns, one for your budgeted amount and one for what actually happened. All of the formulas are already set up for you. All you need to do is add your data. If you want me to send this to you, email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line, Budget Please. This book, D.I.Y Bookkeeping, will be most beneficial to you if you are trying to do your books on your own, but need some help understanding and navigating the bookkeeping software. You probably won't be ready for financial coaching or monthly bookkeeping with Profit Meadow, and that is completely fine and to be expected. However, I wanted to let you know what all of your options are for the future right here at the beginning of the book. That way, when your business grows and you no longer have time to do your books yourself, you'll be able to find these resources easily. Okay, let's dig into the rest of the book. An important note for audiobook listeners. There are several charts in this book that An important note for audiobook listeners. There are charts in this book that An important note for audiobook listeners. In the following chapters, there are many charts and tables with examples. You can email me at valerie@profitmeadow.com with the subject line DIY Audio PDF for a free PDF copy to view these items.